Hello, I'm Mark Ingram with Santasalo Gears. We're here at Cedar City, one of Ovivo's installation, and we're going to be demonstrating on how to change out the oil pump today. I want to quickly go through some of the steps that you'll need to do, and then we'll actually remove the oil pump and reinstall it. It's a brand new gear unit. It doesn't need to be removed right now, but for demonstration purposes, we're going to show you how to do it. The first thing we want you to do is loosen this fitting on the suction side. We don't want to take it all the way off. We just want to loosen it where this suction fitting the hose can swivel out of the way. We're going to move over to the pressure side. We're going to loosen this fitting also. Again, we're not taking it off all the way off. We're just going to loosen it up where this hose can swivel. We've placed plywood beneath the unit to protect anything from going down into the tank below. And we're going to get down and see. We have the suction side coming on this side. We're going to remove this fitting right here. We're going to cover it over with a plastic bag to prevent any oil leakage. This is the low spot in the unit, so we are going to have some leakage of some oil even when it's drained. We're going to remove this fitting on the pressure side. The same way, we're going to swivel it out of the way, and we're going to cover it with a bag and tape to prevent any leakage there. After we do that, if we look under here, there's 4 socket head cap screws that will need to be removed. After you remove that, the oil pump will drop down. It's on a splined coupling, and it will drop down off the input shaft. And now we're going to demonstrate that. All right. We're going to remove the suction line. It's always good to have a catch basin here to catch any oil that would be coming out. And as we stated earlier, these are new units. This one hasn't been filled with oil before you would want to do this. Obviously, all the oil would need to be drained out of the unit. But this will come loose. Now, if you can hand me a bag, Ryan, we'll put a plastic bag over this. Keeps any kind of debris from going in. Yeah. Alright. Now slide out of the way. We'll plug this suction line also so we don't have any debris. We do have some windy conditions. We don't want any kind of debris going into the pump. Now we're going to go to the pressure side. Windy conditions. We'll take a bag, catch that, secure that with some duct tape, move it out of the way, plug that off just so we don't have any oil dripping out. Move the pan now. Now we're going to take out the 6 socket head cap, or the 4 socket head cap screws.
They're 6 millimeters.
Yep. Bag up all of our loose items. Pump's going to be coming loose. We want to try to keep it as straight as we can because it does have a coupling in there. We don't want to damage the coupling. Okay. Now we just want to come straight down with it, and that's how the pump comes out. This is the coupling. This is how it is. We have an O-ring seal, and the coupling fits in here. It goes back on the bottom of the input shaft. To reinstall, we basically just do this process in reverse. We'll go back up. There it is. Get a bolt started. Tighten all the bolts. Now now we're going to reattach the hoses, finish up the process of reinstalling the pump. little bit of windy conditions here, but we'll move that. Mop any excess oil off here that we have. I've got one right here. We're gonna go back on. Okay, it's good and tight. I'm gonna remove the bag from suction line. Remove that out. Good and snug. And now we'll come up here and we'll re-tighten. Nice and snug there. Go over to the pressure side. Alright, that's good. And that's the pump change out on the Ovivo unit.